Kanban is a visual method for managing work as it moves through a process. It helps teams visualize tasks and avoid bottlenecks. The word comes from Japanese and essentially means signboard or billboard. It originated in manufacturing, but is now popular for personal finance management. Most Kanban boards start with 3 simple categories. You move your tasks from left to right as you complete them. By limiting how many tasks you work on at once, you can finish projects faster and reduce the stress of multitasking. While a standard checklist just keeps track of items, Kanban helps you see exactly where your work is stuck. Research suggests that visualizing your work process can lead to significant gains in efficiency by reducing time spent on administrative overhead. This simple mantra reminds us that completing one task is often more valuable than having 10 tasks partially finished at the same time. Try creating a physical or digital board today to manage your goals. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more money tips.